Good morning. Today I gonna buy one cow again. Oh wow. Tame to the horse. Hi. How you? How you doing? See? Oh. Wow. Oh, you itchy? Ah, no way. Big kind though. Ah. And there the windmill. Yeah. And there's the cow. I gonna choose one worth 600. Oh, you eating? You fucking hungry? Oh wow. Oh, careful. You can hit your head. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Love you guys. Nice view.